Zippo's known for quality. We've made a product that's stood the test of time for more than 85 years, and we want to bake that same DNA into the outdoor line as well with our fire starter products.
My name is Cochella. I'm an expert on ExpertVoice. Started when I was a backcountry ski guide and instructor in the winter and a river rafting guide in the summer. I've been given this cool opportunity to review Zippo Outdoor products, in particular all the fire starting pieces of equipment. They all worked really well. A lot of the lighting products have different purposes, right? Some of them are emergency kits and are really lightweight. Some of them are about starting fires really quickly.
Given our expertise in heat, light, and flame, fire starters is a natural direction for us to take. So now we have a wide assortment of products for any fire starting needs to make, maintain, and manage a fire. Whether you like matches or a mag strike or a lighter, we've got something for you.
My favorite thing about the Zippo Outdoor Fire Starter line is reliability. I have peace of mind that when I set about starting a fire, I'm gonna get a fire. The mag strike is awesome because no matter what happens to me or my gear, that thing is going to start a fire. Whether it's downpour or my boat was flooded, I'm gonna pull this thing out and I'm gonna survive. The emergency fire kit is small and tight, so it packs anywhere. But it comes with these fuel tablets that start easy and burn for a while, so I'm not struggling in keeping that fire going. The Typhoon matches, the best thing about them is the match itself. It's easy to start and it lasts a long time. It's a large piece of fuel and you can't make it go out. The favorite thing about Bellows is really that it's fun to use and getting my fire cranking. It changes the whole experience. The AxeSaw is awesome because collecting fuel is the first step in starting a fire. So whether I'm shaving wood, chopping something bigger to bring it into camp, or cutting a branch into smaller, manageable pieces, it does all those things. I see recommending all these products to people for different reasons. I feel confident as an expert and someone who wants to help improve people's outdoor experiences that all of these would work well in the right lane. And I now know, what lane those fit in. If you're backpacking, it's one thing. If you're, car camping or rafting or doing a multi-day thing, it's another one. But they all work well. I felt like they were all safe and easy to use. Everyone can use these products.